Hello friends, myself Bhavan Jha. Today I have these topics from class 11th biology. These topics are very important for class as well as all medical competitive exams like NEET, AIMS, JIPMER, etc. Today's topics for discussion are vascular tissue system in plants from chapter 6 and structure of contractile proteins from chapter 20. Vascular tissue system in plants from chapter 6, that is anatomy of flowering plants. Vascular system consists of complex tissues. These are two types, xylem and phloem. Both collectively constitute vascular bundles. Types of vascular bundles on the basis of cambium. First one is open vascular bundles. In open vascular bundle, cambium is present between phloem and xylem. Cambium has ability to form secondary xylem and phloem tissues, so responsible for secondary growth. Example, dicotyledonous and gymnosperm stems. Next one is closed vascular bundles. In closed vascular bundle, cambium, that is intrafascicular cambium, absent between xylem and phloem. They do not form secondary tissues, that is no secondary growth occurs. Such vascular bundles are found in leaves and monocot stems. Now on the basis of arrangement of xylem and phloem, vascular bundles are two types. First one is radial, second is conjoint. In radial vascular bundle, xylem and phloem occur in the form of separate bundles called xylem and phloem bundles. Two types of bundles usually alternate with each other. They occur on different radii. Radial vascular bundles are characteristic of roots. Next one is conjoint vascular bundle. In conjoint vascular bundle, xylem and phloem are situated at same radius of vascular bundles. Conjoint vascular bundles are common in stem and leaves. Depending upon mutual relationship of xylem and phloem, vascular bundles are three types. First one is collateral. In such vascular bundle, phloem is located only on outside of xylem. It may be open or closed type. Second one is bicollateral. In bicollateral vascular bundle, phloem located on both on outer and inner side of xylem. Xylem occupies central position. Usually a strip of cambium is present on both outer and inner sides of xylem, found in stems of members of family Cucurbitaceae like different types of gourds. In concentric vascular bundle, either phloem surrounds the xylem or xylem surrounds phloem completely. Concentric vascular bundles are further two types. First one is amphicribal or heterocentric. In such vascular bundle, xylem lies at the center and is completely surrounded by a ring of phloem. Example, prunus and ferns. Second one is amphivasal or leptocentric vascular bundle. Phloem lies in the center, which is completely surrounded by a ring of xylem. Example of leptocentric vascular bundles are Dracaena and Yucca. Now structure of contractile protein from chapter 20, that is locomotion and movement. Striated appearance of myofilaments or myofibrils is due to distribution pattern of two important proteins, actin and myosin. Light bands are thin. It contains actin and called I band, that is isotropic band, whereas dark bands are thick. It contains myosin and called A band or anisotropic band. Actin. Each actin is made up of two F or filamentous actins helically wound to each other. Each F actin is a polymer of monomeric G or globular actin. Tropomyosin, two filaments of rod-shaped fibrous contractile protein run close to F-actins throughout its length. Troponin. Troponin is globular complex protein distributed at regular intervals on the tropomyosin. In resting state, troponin masks active binding sites for myosin on the actin filament. Each myosin filament is also a polymerized protein. It is made up of monomeric protein called meromyosin. Each meromyosin has two components. First one is HMM or heavy meromyosin, globular head with short arm called heavy meromyosin. Head and short arm projects outwards at regular distance and angle from each other from surface of myosin. It is called cross arm. Next one is LMM or light meromyosin. Tail of meromyosin is called light meromyosin. During muscle contraction, thin filament slides over thick filament. This is called sliding filament theory. Thanks for watching.